Today we're going to go over the Poisson probability template and how to calculate Poisson probabilities. In this particular case, different from the binomial distribution, we have only one input value this time, which is the expected number of an event of interest, in this case 3. This is how many times we expect something to happen. Now the Poisson probabilities are the x and probability of x sitting in columns D and E. So the probability that x is equal to 0, given that the expectation is 3, is 0.04, so only for almost 5% of the time. When we get down to 3, it's 22. So you can have lower or higher numbers, and the distance that this column D and E go is, in this case, not the expected number of an event of interest, but whenever you get down to about 0 for the probability of x. You can see from the chart that that's going to be somewhere close to around 10. So around 10 we see 0.00022. That's pretty low, comparable to 0. And then these numbers with the E minus are definitely several digits out as far as the decimal places. So you can see the curve is similar to the binomial distribution in that it goes up and then goes down and tails off. Now the way to calculate probabilities from this is the same as the binomial distribution, in the fact that this is the probability that you're going to see a 2 occur, 2 times occur, 2 occurrences. 5 would be 10%, you're going to see 5 as far as the occurrences. So historically we might have seen 3, but the probability of seeing 5 is right around 10%. Probability equal to 2 is just a 0.22, 404. Probability that x is greater than 5, you can do that 2 ways. You could take 6 forward, or you can take 0 through 5. In this case, we've got the sum of E9, which is 6, through E13, which is right around where the 10 is. So it doesn't even take into account all these that amount to about 0. So that's how it's getting this value. So you can take 0 through 5 and take that away from 1, so 1 minus this sum, or you can take 6 and higher. The probability that x is less than 5 would be only up to 4, so less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 get summed up. That equals 81.5%. Probability between 2 and 5 inclusive, you just sum up 2 through 5, which is what this does. It sums up E5 through E8. You'll notice that this is using the Poisson formula within Excel. It's a standard built-in function. It takes D5, which is the value that we're looking for as far as the probability. It also takes B3, which is the expected number, and then false, which means exactly equal to 5, not cumulative. True would be that you want cumulative. So from this one table, just expand it out until you see a bunch of zeros within column E, and that's how far down you go. You can expand the chart to see however far out you want to go there. And then these are examples that you might see within the probability section here as far as the different types: equal, greater than, less than, and between two numbers. Thank you very much.